Welcome to our lesson 9, class 6 of African drum with singing. Today we are going to do the whole song of Not Yet Uhuru. Let's try it again. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.